Adding a student, coworker, or just anyone in general to a Canvas course is easy to do. First thing you do is when you're actually on the course that you want to add someone to. I want to add someone to this course right here. I'm going to click on the course, and as you can see, there's no one in the course at the moment. So what we want to do is we go down to settings in the bottom left-hand corner. Adding someone, whether it be a coworker, student, or friend, to a Canvas course is easy to do. First thing we do is we want to click on our course right here, and you actually want to go down to the option called people. It's going to be on the left side of the screen, and click on people. When you click on this, you can actually view all of the people that are currently in your course. And when you click on this people option right here, this plus people on the right hand side of the screen, you can actually add someone, whether it be their school email, a login ID, or SIS-ID. And once you've actually entered in the email addresses or the single email address like so, you can simply just choose whether you want them to have a student role, teacher role, TA, designer, or observer role, and which course you want them to be added to. I want them to be added to Math 101, so I'm going to pick that one. And you can click on if they want to interact with only this section or just all of the sections in general. I want them to only be in this course, so I'm going to click this box right here. But if you want them to be in all, you can just deselect that like so. When you click on next, you can simply add a name to the user like so, whether you want that to be the name that is actually associated with them or a fake name. And when you click on next, we can see that they have been added to our course now. And when they just log into their Canvas dashboard, we'll actually be able to view this course on their dashboard, or it will just show up in their email if they do not see it on their dashboard and they have to accept it. And you can easily add more and more users like so, and you can see that I've just added someone the same way like that, and it's easy as that.